If your car has been acting weird lately, like flickering lights, dead batteries, or strange noises, then your alternator might be the culprit. In this video, I'm going to show you the most common symptoms of a bad alternator so you can catch the problem early before you get stranded on the road. Stick around till the end because I'll also share one quick tip to tell if your alternator is failing without using any tools. First off, let's answer the big question: where is the alternator located? On a car, the alternator is located on the front or side of the engine, powered by the serpentine belt. Now, let's talk about symptoms of a bad alternator. The first and most obvious sign is your headlights or interior lights flickering or going dim. Since the alternator is what charges your battery and powers the electrical system, weak or unstable voltage makes your lights act funny, especially noticeable at night. The second symptom is a dead battery. If you've had to jumpstart your car more than once recently, don't just blame the battery. A bad alternator won't recharge the battery properly, so even a brand new one will keep dying. The third symptom is a warning light on the dashboard. Most cars have a little battery-shaped warning light. Some even show Alt or Gen. If that light comes on while driving, it's your car's way of telling you the alternator isn't doing its job. A failing alternator can make a grinding or whining noise. This usually happens because the bearings inside are worn out. So if your engine bay starts sounding like a blender, don't ignore it. Another big clue is when your car's electronics go crazy. Radio cutting out, power windows moving slow, dashboard acting weird, these are all signs the alternator isn't delivering steady power. And finally, if your car just randomly stalls while driving, the alternator might not be supplying enough power to keep the ignition system running. This one's dangerous, so don't wait, get it checked immediately. Here's a simple trick. While your car is running, turn on everything: headlights, AC, radio, wipers. If the alternator is weak, you'll notice the lights dim or the car almost stall. That's a quick way to confirm something's wrong. So those are the main symptoms of a bad alternator, and now you know exactly where to find it under the hood. If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. Get your alternator tested before it leaves you stranded. If it did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Thanks for watching, and remember, when it comes to car problems, you've got this. See you in the next video.